Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can animate your maps within Canva. So this can be helpful when you are delivering a presentation and you need to demonstrate the movement from maybe one area to another, or from one state of a country to another, or from a particular location to another location. You can do that, you can animate that, so it makes your presentation very attractive and very nice. Okay, so let's say I'm on my Canva platform right now. I can go to video, and then I can choose any size that I want. Let's go with this YouTube video. Now in here, if I want, I can go to elements, and then I can be able to search for maps, for example, and I'll be able to check in here from maybe photos. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use something like this. So I'll be able to travel maybe from Africa to another continent, and then be able to visualize this. So let's say this is how much I have of this, and now the next thing is to indicate with an arrow where I'm particularly moving from one place to another. So I can do and come back here and just search for shapes. I can come down here and see shapes, and let's say we want to do lines. Let's say I'm going to just take this broke line and I'm going to increase the size. Okay, let's increase the stroke weight. You can see we've increased the weight to something much better. And assuming I want to travel from this continent down to this very continent, I'm sure this is Australia. Okay, so, and I want to make this, I can click in here, make it a bit curved. Okay, so let me make it a bit curved. I'm flying from this very continent to here. Now I can define my starting point, where I'm starting. So let's say I'm starting from here. This is, let's say I use this arrow. If I'm okay, let's say I'm starting from here, so I'm using this arrow to define my starting point, and then my ending point, I can come here and just put in this arrow, so you can see where I am landing. Now this is very perfect. So what I need to do now from this is to go over to animate. I'm going to animate this process. So assuming this is my element, I can just move it to be within, and I'm going to cover it up to the end like this, right? So let's say you can try this animation on any of these, with any of these general custom features, to see which one works for you. But for me, I think I have tried and liked this this wipe, this one, and you can see I just have to reduce the speed, and then you can see the starting and how it can start. Okay, so you can see the movement, how it starts and get to that point. And I needed to, maybe we can reduce the length of the video. Maybe I can reduce this to somewhere like this, and maybe possibly reduce this one also to here. Let's play it, and you can see the movement. This can be very helpful when you are delivering a presentation, and you can be able to demonstrate the movement from point A to point B in your presentation. Okay, so you can see it very perfectly, and it is going there. So if you like, you can make this, okay, you can make this bigger. Let's use this and make this a little bit longer, so we can just keep it at the same height, at the same length. So you can play, and then you can be able to see this. I think this is very nice. And if you want, you can be able to export this and come over here to share, and you can go to download. You can download it in MP4, and you can just add this to your presentation. Now this is not restricted to only images. You can do that even with videos as well, if you want to demonstrate through a moving video that you are navigating from one space to another. So please go ahead, explore, and see how you can animate your images, add in some basic animations to make your presentation pop and more meaningful and engaging. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.